Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a custom widget, special effect, or a unique feature to your website but just couldn't figure out how, today's tutorial is going to unlock a powerful skill for you. I'll be walking you through, step by step, exactly how to embed HTML code directly into your Webflow website builder. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safely and confidently add your own HTML code to your Webflow projects, and you'll see just how easy it really is. So let's dive right in. To get started, the very first thing you'll need is the HTML code you want to use. This could be a snippet you've written yourself, a code for a form from another service, or maybe a cool widget you found online. Make sure you have that code ready to go, maybe saved in a notepad or copied to your clipboard. Next, let's head over to your Webflow dashboard and open up the exact project you want to add this code to. This takes us to the design editor, which is kind of like the control room for your website's look and feel. Take a moment here to really look at your page and decide exactly where you want your embedded code to appear. Is it in the middle of your homepage or maybe down in the footer? Knowing this in advance will save you time and help keep your site layout neat and organized. Alright, now comes the fun part. Let's actually add that code. Within your design editor, look over to the left sidebar where your elements are listed. You'll want to scroll through the available elements until you find one called Embed. The Embed element is key because it's designed to let you insert custom code. Think of it like adding an empty container to your page that you can fill with your own special instructions. Drag and drop the embed element right into the section of your page where you want the code to appear. Don't worry if you're not precise the first time, you can always move or adjust it later. After you place the element, a window will pop up. This is where you paste your HTML code. Just copy your code and paste it into the box. If you're working with more complex code, double check for any mistakes or incomplete tags before moving on. Even a tiny typo can cause issues, so take a breath and look things over carefully. Once your code is in place, click Save and Close. This tells Webflow to tuck that code into your page, almost like snapping a puzzle piece into place. It might take a second to process, especially if your code is lengthy or does something a bit fancy. If you don't see your results immediately, don't worry, the magic happens in the next step. Now with your code embedded, it's time to bring it to life. Look up to the top right and hit Publish. Choose your domain or staging site and let Webflow do its thing. When the publish process finishes, your code is officially active and live on your website. This is the moment when you can visit your site, scroll to where you place the element, and see your custom HTML in action. And there you have it. You've just learned how to embed HTML code directly into a Webflow website, making your page more interactive and personalized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials on web design and beyond. Thanks for watching and happy creating.